Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple heads-up display. Let's start by right-clicking, go to User Interface, Widget Blueprint, call this HUD, open that up, and from the left-hand side here we're going to drag in progress bar, get two of those, make these a bit bigger. We're going to go to style here, background image, image tint. I've already created a blue here, but you can select whichever color you like. Use that for a shield. On the second one, I'm just going to make that red for health. Just drag this here. Compile, save. I'm going to click on this, go to anchors, anchor it to the bottom corner, do the same with the other. That way they'll be staying put on that side of the screen. Now we can open up our third person blueprint, go to blueprints, third person character. In here, search for event, begin play. From here drag out create widget. In select class we're going to choose our HUD we just created. From return value drag out add to viewport. Compile, save. Now when we press play that should pop up on our screen just like that. Pretty simple. Now you can go back in to your HUD and you can add anything you like in here and it will show up on your screen. You may have a weapon you might want to display image of, ammo, character name, level, things like that. And that's about it for this one. Thank you for watching guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.